questions in the present simple tense. Let's go! Listen and repeat after me. What time do you wake up? What time do you get up? Do you always get up at the same time? Does all your family get up at the same time? What time do you have breakfast? Does all your family have breakfast at the same time? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you usually drink for breakfast? When do you have a shower? In the morning? When do you wash your hair? Do you always dry it? Where do you study? What time do you leave for school? How do you go to school? By bus or on foot? What time does your school start? Do you like your school? Is it interesting? How many days a week do you work? What time do you usually have lunch? Where do you have lunch? What time does your school finish? What time do you come home? What time do you have dinner? Does all your family have dinner at the same time? What time do you go to bed? Do you do any sports? Do you like football? Do you play football? Do you play tennis? How often do you play tennis? Do you ever ski in winter? Where do you ski? Do you like swimming? How often do you swim? How do you relax? Do you ever meditate? When do you meditate? How often do you meditate? What do you do in your free time? How often do you watch TV? Do you like reading? How often do you read? Do you have a dog? Where do you walk with your dog? How many times a day do you walk with your dog? Do you run in the morning or evening? Where do you run? Do you like listening to music? What kind of music do you listen to? Do you have a car? Do you drive a car? Does anybody in your family drive a car? How often do you wash your car? How often do you repair your car? Do you sell anything? What do you sell? Where do you usually buy fruit and vegetables? How often do you go to the shop? What do you buy in the shop? Do you cook in your family? Do you like cooking? How often do you cook? Do you have a lot of friends? How often do you call your friends? How often do you write messages to your friends? How often do you meet your friends? What do you do with your friends when you meet? Do you play cards? How often do you play cards? What do you play with your friends? Do you ever go to the cinema? How often? What kind of films do you like? Remember, you are not carrying stones. You are playing balloons. Yes! To enjoy more videos, don't forget to subscribe.